So hey guys, basically welcome once again to my channel once again guys. So one of the most reason you are currently watching this video is that you currently have your device locked, and not only Android guys, basically the iOS also, and you are really thinking what to do now. And basically what you really do at the end is you just go ahead to your service center and you give some money shit to unlock your device itself. So yeah guys, basically in this video I'm going to basically show you how to do it by yourself only, and this is just for educational video guys. So I really hope each and everyone who's watching here may really know this trick. And so yeah, so let's get started with this video guys. So basically one of the first I will just start this video from basic level to just a higher level. So basically that is not a higher level, but I'm just showing you three methods guys how to really fix this up. So I really hope this first method itself works for all without going to the other two shit fix itself. So start with the first method itself guys. So basically what you need to do is just go ahead and just download the Dr. Ford toolkit from the link in the description, and or basically yeah. So once you download it up guys, what really now you need to do is just go ahead and install this on your PC itself. So once you're there, once you have installed this thing on your PC guys, what really you need to do now is just go ahead and just open this up. And once you have opened this up guys, just go ahead and select this. It will just take some time to just download this whole thing, and that's it. So once you're there, what you need to do is now just go ahead and connect your the USB wire and with your PC and the other pin, just go ahead and start and basically it will just show you to select your device, and just go ahead and select your device name and whatever your device name is and your model, everything, and just go ahead and it will just show you something like this. Just go ahead and just type confirm here, and that's it to your download mode. So basically if you really don't know how to go to the download mode guys, so just go ahead and Google it up. It is very easy basically. So mostly it is the power up key menu and this power button, and yeah. So basically if you want there are many, if you want you can just go ahead and Google up. So once you're there, once you have done with this guys, what really now you need to do is just go ahead and just restart your device, and everything has been back. So coming back to the next part, that is the part 2 guys. So this is a very easy method. Method is mostly known by all the people currently watching there, but yeah, let's continue with this. Of course it's 2017. So what you need to do is guys, just go ahead and just put any kind of password up to 2 to 3 times, and that's it. Once you are there at the last, when you see that it has been showing something forget password here, so just what you need to do is just go ahead and tap on that, and basically boom, it will just go ahead and it will ask your Google account and your password to log in it up. And once you're there, you could just go ahead and just log in with your Google account, and it will just show you checking something like this, and that's it. Boom, you're automatically logged in with your account and your device has been locked. So that's it. So basically after that it will just tell you to do this again. That's it. So coming back to the disadvantage of this part is that basically Google has removed this method for the KitKat above devices, I really think, but it really works for the KitKat below only. So this was one of the disadvantage of this method. But yeah, so coming back to the third part, I could say that this method is for only educational purpose, and it is basically for those who have currently unlocked device, and basically it is not locked, but you could be secure by this method itself guys. So what basically you could do is you could just go ahead to your device and make sure that your developer mode has been unlocked, and basically what you really need to do is just go ahead and just open up your USB debugging method guys, and that's it. Once you have done you have enabled your USB debugging guys, what you need to do is just go ahead and just download this ADB. I'll just put the link in the description guys, so just go ahead and download it up. So just go ahead and hold your shift key and click the right click of your mouse, and that's it. It will just basically show you something like this, and just go ahead and tap on the open the command prompt. And basically what really now you need to do is just go ahead and enter the ADB devices, and basically it will just show you the list of the devices which is currently connected to your PC itself. So once you're there, what you really now need to do is just go ahead and enter this. So basically I currently have a password, and basically as you could see my current, and basically as you could see my password is L, and if even if I type something like that, it is currently not getting unlocked. So basically if you have a pattern lock, what you really need to do is just enter this thing on your command prompt, and basically it is my same case, so I'm just writing this up. But if your device is not if it is a pin lock, who you use the pin lock by the way, then you could just go ahead and enter this up. So similarly, if you have a jelly bean or something like that, old devices, I really don't think many people uses this, but you could just go ahead and just type this. So don't worry, I will just put everything in the description, so just go ahead and check that out. So that's it. Once you're done with this, guys, don't worry. And yeah, this method works for all the devices, guys. It is not really for the KitKat and jelly bean, sorry, it is also for the marshmallow. And yeah, so once you're there, guys, what you really need to do is just go ahead and just press it enter, and after that you could just go ahead and check your device. Basically the password has been unlocked, and if it is not really showing you, then you could just go ahead and restart your device, and that's it. So this was another method which we could use. And so one of the most disadvantage of this method is that you should really have a USB debugging method automatically on. You have already used the USB debugging method once at least on your device, on your PC itself, and make sure that your device and your PC remembers this thing. And yeah, so this method, guys, it may really sound cool, but it is not. Really many people get angry on this method who have not enabled the USB debugging, or who really don't know that how to enable the developer mode. So but yeah, guys, that's it, guys. I really hope the first method really works for most of the guys is watching out there. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. This is your host, Mr. Namster. See you in the next video. Signing out.